So question one, a lot of you struggled with because you didn't recognize what to do with this tangent squared x. We have to get a common language when we're solving, so we either put this in terms of tangent or secant. We can't do anything with the secant because there's no identity for it, but we can do something with the tangent. If we think about our Pythagorean identity, we have sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x equals 1. If we divide everything by cosine squared x, we'll derive a new identity that has tangent squared of x in it. Perfect. And this is another Pythagorean identity, just in a different form. We need to get tangent squared of x alone, so we subtract 1. Tangent squared x equals secant squared x minus 1. Now, since these are equal, we can replace tangent squared x with secant squared x minus 1 plus, not plus, it's your first term, minus 4 secant of x plus 5 equals 0. This is just replacing tangent squared of x. Now you can combine your like terms. Secant squared x minus 4 secant of x plus 4 equals 0. U is equal to secant of x. We're going to use u substitution here to make our life a little bit easier. So we need u squared minus 4u plus 4 equals 0. If we factor this out, we get u minus 2 times u minus 2. We can solve this for 0. These will end up being the same thing. You will get u equals 2. But we are solving for secant of x, not u, so we're going to rewrite this as secant of x equals 2. Now, we're kind of stuck here because we don't know where on the unit circle secant is 2, but we do know that secant is equal to cosine as long as it's the reciprocal, it's flipped over. So we can go ahead and flip over the 2 over 1 to make it 1/2. So now, we're asking where is our x coordinate? 1/2. There are two places where this exists. X will equal pi over 3, and x also equals 5 pi over 3. But we're solving for all values of x, so we need to add a 2 pi in to the end. And those will be your values where it works. So remember, again, when you're seeing that tangent squared, if you see anything squared, think Pythagorean identity, and that will help you translate common language, then factor, and use the unit circle to solve.